Hello, and welcome to the funeral program site Celebrate Prints, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsakes. Today we are featuring our beautiful collection of personalized in loving memory handkerchiefs. A memorial handkerchief is a wonderful service keepsake with either a personalized color photo or embroidery tastefully imprinted along one corner. It makes a lovely and fitting tribute to a life lived. Our very own designed in loving memory handkerchiefs are a wonderful addition for your keepsake treasures. Our in loving memory handkerchiefs measure 12 inches by 12 inches square and made of soft poly cotton material. Your submitted photo will adorn our subtle backdrop along with your 2 lines of personalized text and optional photo. It's a perfect memorial for placement in a men's suit pocket, lady's purse, or a cherished carry. We offer our in loving memory handkerchiefs in many different designs and themes. Check us out and purchase yours today. Only available at the funeral program site and celebrateprints.com.